Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this boho boss breaks for this lady, and stay tuned.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Rita for those that didn't hear it the first time. So now I went ahead to prep my client's hair. I also make sure I massage her hair as usual and make sure everything is ready for me to style. I also use a braiding gel to make sure the parts were neat and clean. Once I'm done parting the hair, I went ahead to use an inspection hair extension as a base and added some coily hair extensions to achieve the signature boho look. So to start, I folded the extension in half. I looped my client's hair through the extension and began braiding. So I used her natural hair as the third piece of the braids, so which created a seamless knotless illusion, making the braids look sleek and natural. This method also helps to reduce tension on the scalp. So if you have watched this video up to this moment, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Tell me what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section, and also share this to your family and friends. You can also follow me at Riri Wantinobi on Facebook and Instagram, also at Rita on TikTok. Thank you for doing so. As I braided each section, I added the coily hair extensions at intervals. I started with about 4 coily strands per braid, adding more as I moved down to create that fuller voluminous boho look. So this method gave the style its unique carefree finish with coils peeking out through each braid. So now let's quickly talk about the differences between boho braids and goddess braids, because I know many people get confused. Boho braids are essentially knotless braids with coily strands of hair added throughout the length of the hair or the braids, so it creates a soft and natural effect. Okay, on the other hand, goddess braids are typically large and thicker cornrows with coily strands of hair added only at the ends for a dramatic finish. Okay, boho braids have a more relaxed, messy, chic vibe, while goddess braids tends to look bold and polished. So in the sense that if you're doing a boho braids, you add a lot of coily hairs on a strand, like on a braid on its own. Then why if you're doing a goddess braid, sorry, the goddess braid tends to, maybe you just add like one or two and that's it, just to have that coily effect in it. I hope you understand this. So I want to know what you think about goddess braids and boho braids in the comment section, guys. So let me know, and let me know which one you prefer. You prefer the goddess braid or you prefer the um goddess braids? Now, before I proceed, and I don't want to forget to wish my lovely, beautiful, handsome subscribers out there, and I wish you all a merry, merry, merry Christmas and a prosperous new year to come. So, guys, thank you so much for supporting my channel up to this point, up to this moment. You all have been amazing. So tell me, how did you celebrate your Christmas? Yesterday actually was Christmas, which was 25th. Today is 26th. So tell me how you celebrated your Christmas. Did you go out? Did you celebrate it with just your family? Did you celebrate it with your friends? Did you spice things up? You know what I mean? This is the time for gossip, guys. So tell me in the comment section how you celebrated your Christmas. Today is Boxing Day. I hope you got nice presents. So I'm just using this opportunity to gossip. So guys, you can see the hair is getting fuller. So I'm just trying to manage what she had here. I don't want to but like I said, it's a boho breaks and braid. Sorry, so I had to make sure I. You can see the method I'm using here. I just remember that I showed a close look of this. I looped her hair in the middle of the hair extension, using our own hair as a third piece, and then I started to braid and adding more coily hair as I braid down. So I continue to use this method all through ahead until I finish braiding this hair. So stay tuned guys and continue watching, and I'll be right back. So guys, about my adverts. So if you come across any advert on this channel, please don't skip, please watch the advert to the end guys. Please, I'm begging. Thank you. As I continue braiding, let me give you use this opportunity to give you tips on how to achieve a perfect braid every time. So first of all, you need to clean and detangle the hair, and secondly, when you sectioning the hair, make sure it is neatly done. You can use a rat tail comb to create clean and straight part. Okay. Then afterwards, you apply braiding gel or edge control for sharper and slicker sections. So afterwards, you hydrate the hair, spritz the hair with water or moisturizing spray before braiding to prevent dryness and breakage. Also, the technique for braiding. Make sure you use the right technique to braid. Avoid pulling too tight at the root to prevent pain or damage to the scalp. So you have to aim for a firm grip that is secure and but comfortable, not uncomfortable. Okay, so make sure you divide the hair evenly. Ensure the hair and the stem are evenly distributed in each braid for a uniform look. Also, incorporate extensions seamlessly. So when you fold the hair into half and feed in into the natural hair, carefully avoid visible knots. Okay, for knotless braid, use the natural hair as the base and gradually add extensions. So you have to maintain consistent size. I know it's not easy to do that, but you have to really maintain that consistent size. Make sure the braids are kept in the same size, and this will give it like a professional look. Okay, then you when you finish, you make sure you tidy the ends. Make sure they dip the hair in hot water to seal them, or especially if you're working with a synthetic hair, you have to just put it in hot water. And also this helps it to create a natural flow. Okay, also apply moves. Use a lightweight moves to smooth out any frizz and define the braids. And then you also have to trim the flyaways. Make sure you carefully snip any loose or frizzy strands to give the braids a clean finish. And also you have to add a lightweight oil or sheen spray for added shine and hydration. You can also, when you have to use high quality hair extension that blends well with the client's natural hair. That's just a general tip. Okay, it's not compulsory. It depends on what um what's it called, your clients. It depends on what they want. So you just, if they bring a good high quality hair, then you go for it, which will be perfect for their hair. So also you also need to keep on practicing, because if you keep on practicing, we have a dull head for you to practice and practice. You keep on practicing, you it's a possibility for you to attain that professional way of doing the hair. Okay, and also customize to face shape. You have to consider your clients, the shape of their face and their hair type when deciding on braiding size and style for flattering look. Okay, so that is it for you about tips on how to achieve professional look, on how to braid the hair. Okay guys. So once I'm done with the hair, I applied mousse to the braids, separating and smoothing out any tangles. So off camera, I added some braiding sheen, that's oil sheen. I also added some oil in the hair. I used the hot water to also try to release some tension from my scalp and the braid to make sure the hair is relaxed. So that is that. So the hair is shiny, the hair is okay, looking beautiful, and she loves her hair, she loves the final look. And that's it, guys. So tell me what you think about this hair in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share, comment below. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Yeah. Na na na